start to build it. First, we navigate to the indicators menu, and the main chart we select our first indicator, which is the RSI, the relative strength index. We select the RSI and we set it period to 14, apply close. Levels we set it to 68, 50 and 32. Then time frame we set it to O. Style color, choose black, or choose any color that looks the same as your background color on the MT4 or 5. Then on the size we choose let's choose any size. For me, I will choose size 3 and we save. So this is how it looks. As you can see, the RSI period 14, we have got our levels 68, 50 and 32. So we go back to the indicators menu and we add 2 moving averages. Then we don't select the main chart, we select indicator window 1. We select and we add our first moving average, which is a moving average period 2. We select period 2, then shift 0, then method simple, apply. We are going to previous indicators data. Then color we will choose green. Then size we choose 4 and we save. So this is how our RSI is looking right now. We go back to the indicators menu. Under indicator window number 1, we select again the moving average. On this we set period to 7, shift 0, method simple, then apply previous indicators data, size 4, we change color to red and we save. So this is how it is looking right now. We navigate back to the indicators menu. Under the indicators window we select again. Now we are adding our Bollinger Bands. Period we will set 34, deviation 2.000, shift 0, apply we set first indicators data, levels none, time frame or style we choose aqua blue or something related to blue, then style we choose 1 and we save. So this is how it is looking right now. So right now we are adding our last moving average to our RSI. We navigate back. Under the indicators window, trend, we select moving average. So our moving average period will be 34. Then method simple, and apply we select first indicators data, then levels none, time frame or style we will choose yellow and we save. So as you can see, our moving average, our TDI indicator is now ready. So